Hi, how are you doing, guys? Welcome to the preview for Arsenal versus Aston Villa in the Premier League. Yeah, Sunday night game, and looking forward to it since it's the last game before the boring international break. Yeah, again. So, yeah, let's go back a couple of results, and we had this amazing result against Manchester United at Old Trafford, which we won, and we also had a midweek game in the Europa League, which we won 4 goals to 1. And yeah, we are in a bit of momentum, and let's carry that momentum into this game and let's win this one. So without wasting any time, let's get into the predicted 11, guys. So in goal, we'll go with Bern Leno. He played in the midweek game as well in the Europa League, and there is no surprise that he's a number one. So he'll go in goal. In the defense, I do think Arteta will get back the combination of Holding and Gabriel, tried and tested. So I'll put them in. And on the left hand side, I'll go with Kieran Tierney. Yeah, no problems there. He'll give his all on the pitch, and I have no problem with it. On the right hand side, I'll go with Hector Bellerin. A couple of weeks back, I was a bit skeptical of Bellerin with his performances, but now, a couple of weeks later, his performances are okay, but he's ever improving, so which is a good thing. For me, if a player is improving, I look at his progress, and his progress is pretty decent, so no problems there. Hector Bellerin goes on the right. Now, in the midfield, it is a bit tricky. Of course, Thomas Partey will go in there, no problems. But I do think Mohamed Elneny will not be selected for this game. Arteta will go with a combination of Xhaka and Ceballos in midfield. Don't get me wrong, guys. Elneny had a terrific game against Manchester United last week, and but for this game, you have to understand we are Arsenal, and we are playing at the Emirates, we are playing at home, and it's Aston Villa. No offense to them, but we need a bit of dynamism, and Arteta can rotate. So we'll go with Xhaka and Sabas in the middle. Now, of the front three, I'll go with on the left hand side, I'll go with Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. Now he's our captain, he needs to start scoring the goals. He did scored the winner last week at Old Trafford, but it was a penalty. So he needs to start scoring, yeah. On the right hand side, now I'll go with Nicolas Pepe. Only reason I think he is in better form than Willian, and he played in the midweek game and performed really well. So I'll put Nicolas Pepe ahead of Willian for this game. Yeah, in the center, I'll go with Alexander Lacazette. Started the season well, had some 3 goals in 4 matches. Have faded a bit later on, but he needs to start scoring as well. His hold up play, his effort is never in doubt, but he needs to start scoring since he's my number 9 and our striker. So, yeah, Lacazette, let's get you back on the score sheet. Yeah, that is it, guys. That is my predicted 11 for the game against Aston Villa on Sunday. So yeah, I do think Arsenal will win the match by 3 goals to 1, and it will be a comfortable win. Nothing is comfortable in Premier League, basically. The records speak for itself. Aston Villa has a decent record at Emirates. It's not like they have not won at the Emirates since past 10 years or 15 years. They have won lately. In a couple of seasons back, they have won, and yeah, they have a decent record at the Emirates. We shouldn't take this game lightly, but I do think the team will be up, the players will be up for it, and yeah, we'll get the job done. So that is it, guys. I'm out of here. Ciao.